Presenting the Prestige All-Rounder Food Processor, the one appliance for a long and reliable partnership in your kitchen. The All-Rounder Food Processor, with a powerful heavy-duty motor, can help you with every preparation. It comes with 2 stainless steel mixer jars for dry and chutney grinding, 1 liquidizing jar for blending, and a food processing jar that is made of high-quality polycarbonate material, ensuring longer life and lasting transparency. Its specially designed blades and attachments are perfect for slicing and grating, shredding, cutting finger chips, chopping, kneading atta, and whipping, centrifugal juicing for non-citrus fruit and citrus juicing. This here is the on-off knob as well as the speed control. Controlling speed differently for each use is the key to getting perfect. Operate using the pulse function in short bursts until you get your desired result. Use the bigger lid. Place the food processor jar with the handle exactly opposite the lock button and twist it to lock it. Push button and twist to unlock. With so many functions, it really is an all-rounder in the kitchen. Just select the right blade, fit the stem and fit it here, place the lid and done. The all-rounder is now ready. Before starting, keep in mind that as a safety feature, the motor won't operate unless both the food processing jar and the mixer cover are safely locked. Now, let's plug in the all-rounder and switch it on. Let's start with the thick slicer and grater. Just attach the blade to the stem and place it in the jar like this. Whether it's for salads or fried chips, just press the vegetables onto the blade gently to slice them. Slice potatoes, carrots, radish and more in seconds. The same blade on the reverse side lets you grate any vegetable in seconds. Grate carrots and cabbage for Chinese food in no time. You can also grate cheese for homemade pizzas. When you need it finer, say for gajar ka halwa, raita, or for coconuts, switch to the shredder blade. Once you've connected it, again lower the vegetables gently onto it. That's it. Now you have fine grated vegetables with zero effort. Make restaurant-style French fries at home with ease using the unique finger chip blade. Get the perfect fries with zero wastage. Now, let's see what can be done with the stainless steel chopping blade. Fine chop onions and tomatoes for curries. Fine chop cauliflower for parathas. Chop leafy vegetables. Make breadcrumbs for cutlets. You can even mince meat. One of the most helpful uses the all-rounder offers is kneading atta. Place up to 250 grams of atta in the chamber and operate only on speed level 1. Just pour water in slowly and watch the atta take shape. If you think it needs some more water, just add it from the top. The same blade can also be used to make mashed potatoes, mayonnaise, and salad dressings. Let's now switch to the whipper. Forget buying packs of cream or beating eggs with a spoon. Make buttermilk or whisk fresh cream in seconds. You can also beat eggs and get the most fluffy omelette each time. The all-rounder doesn't just help with healthy meals, but also gives your day a healthy start with centrifugal and the citrus juicing attachments. Don't forget to change to the shorter lid designed for juicing and set the speed at 1 before pushing the fruit or vegetable inside. Get healthy juice from any non-citrus fruit or vegetable except for sugarcane. Just press the fruit or vegetable in and watch it separate pulp from liquid. To use the special citrus juicer, you must first switch to the special stem, fit the juicer to it, and then proceed to press down any citrus fruit. Extract healthy juices from Musambi, Kino and oranges in seconds with no mess or wastage. All the pulp and seeds get filtered, leaving you with pure freshness. Now that we're done with the food processor side, let's see what can be done on the mixer side. Please keep in mind that as a safety feature, the processor lid needs to be locked in order to use the mixer. Use the liquidizing jar to whip up some yummy milkshakes, as well as wet grind batters for idlis and dosas. Cooking a hearty South Indian breakfast is now easy. Need to grind some dry spices? No need to worry. The all-rounder can do that too. Just use the dry grinding jar. Place the ingredients, start with pulse function to distribute the load evenly, and gradually increase and lower the speeds. Follow the same steps to get the perfect texture and mix on the sides to accompany your preparations, using the small stainless steel chutney jar. So many uses, right? But don't worry, cleaning it is as easy as using it. Just wash any blade or jar under running water. Get complete utility with minimal risk as the all-rounder comes with its set of safety features. The feeding chamber is designed such that no hand can get close to the blades. The lids are designed with a safety lock mechanism that won't allow the appliance to start unless both the lid of the mixer and the lid of the food processing jar are locked properly. When you need to open it, just push this button and twist. You can't use the mixer and the processor at the same time. Have no fear of malfunction, as it's also equipped with an overload protection system that shuts it off automatically in case of overloading. When that happens, switch off the appliance, push the reset button under the all-rounder and turn it back on. That's it! Now that you have the Prestige All-Rounder Food Processor as a kitchen partner, get ready for healthy and tasty food every day.